In our next lesson, we will evaluate expressions using the order of operations. The order of operations is used so that everyone evaluating the same expression will have the same answer. Many remember the order of operations using a simple acronym called PEMDAS. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S, stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Let's look at the order of operations in more detail. The first step is parentheses. In this step, you will evaluate expressions that you see within grouping symbols. Here I have the grouping symbols that we call parentheses, and if we look inside, there is an operation addition. The parentheses that you need to evaluate first are the ones containing an operation. 5 plus 7 is 12. Next, we have exponents. Exponents must be done next. In this case, we have 4 factors of 2, which equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 16. Our next step sometimes causes confusion. This step contains 2 operations, multiplication and division. When evaluating these 2 operations, you will evaluate the one that you read first as you read from left to right. So looking at the expression 24 divided by 4 times 3, I would start with 24 divided by 4, which is 6, and then multiply by 3 for an answer of 18. Likewise, if I had the expression 9 times 4 divided by 3, I would evaluate the 9 times 4 first, and then divide that answer by 3 to get 12. Like the multiplication and division step, addition and subtraction are the operations that go together and need to be evaluated in the order that you read them from left to right. In this expression, 17 minus 2, I have 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Likewise, for the expression 8 plus 3 minus 6, I would begin with 8 plus 3, which is 11, and then minus 6 for an answer of 5. Let's evaluate the expression that I have written to the right. 24 divided by parentheses 10 minus 2, parentheses times 8 plus 3 squared. We will begin with parentheses. In the parentheses, I see 10 minus 2, which is 8. Rewrite the entire expression, substituting in the 8 where the parentheses were. Now we'll go to the step for exponents. 3 squared is 9. I will again write down everything I have in the expression and replace 3 squared with 9. Multiplication and division, as I stated earlier, are done in order from left to right as you read them. In this expression, 24 divided by 8 comes first, and then times 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Our last step is our addition and subtraction. Again, we're going to read from left to right and do the operations in the order that we read them. In this expression, we have 24 plus 9, which gives us our final answer of 33. Let's practice evaluating expressions using PEMDAS. The expression 30 divided by 6 plus 2 times 4 squared does not contain any parentheses, So I will go to the next step, exponents. 4 squared is 16. Again, it is very useful to stay organized by writing out everything that is still in the expression before continuing. Our next category is multiplication and division. Again, these are done in the order they appear from reading left to right. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 6 and then 2 times 16. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 2 times 16 is 32. I write the plus. I don't want to ever miss what else is in that expression after I have done a step. The last step is addition subtraction. Again, you see how important it is to have that plus that's been coming with you throughout these steps. 5 plus 32 is 37, our final answer. Let's try one more. In this expression, we have parentheses, 12 minus 7, which is 5. Again, please rewrite everything that you didn't already use in your expression before you continue. It'll keep your work well organized and more accurate. Exponents go next, so 5 squared is 25. Writing out everything that I have not used yet in my expression. I will look for any opportunity now to multiply or divide. So 25 plus, nope, can't do that yet. 3 times 8, I can do that. And once I get that answer, I'm going to divide it by 2. So we have 25 plus 3 times 8, which is the 24, divided by 2 minus a 7. 25 plus, we'll do our division now, that's a 12, minus 7. I've been carrying along all the parts of my expression that I haven't evaluated yet. Our last category is addition subtraction. First, I'll be doing the adding as I read left to right. Take that answer and then subtract 7. 25 plus 12 is 37. Now, minus 7, our last step, we get the answer, 30.